हमको मन की शक्ति देना, भेद भाव अपने दिल से साफ कर सके, भेद भाव अपने दिल से साफ कर सके, दोस्तों से भूल हो तो माफ कर सके, दोस्तों से भूल हो तो माफ कर सके, झूठ से बचे रहे, सच का दम धरे, झूठ से बचे रहे, सच का दम भरे, दूसरों के जैसे पहले खुद को जय करे, हमको मन की शक्ति देना, मुश्किलें पड़े तो हम पर इतना कर्म कर, मुश्किलें पड़े तो हम पर इतना कर्म कर, साथ दे तो धर्म का, चले तो धर्म पर, साथ दे तो धर्म का, चले तो धर्म पर, खुद पे हौसला रहे, बदी से ना डरे, खुद पे हौसला रहे, बदी से ना डरे, दूसरों की जैसे पहले खुद को जय करे, हमको मन की शक्ति देना, मन विजय करे, दूसरों के जैसे पहले खुद को जय करे, हमको मन की शक्ति देना।
Take pledge position.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. I further pledge to take care of the environment. I shall adopt environment friendly practices and do everything to protect the trees and the animals. In advance well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Good noon to all. Respected Director Ma'am, Principal Ma'am, Worthy Manu Sir, and all my dear classmates. Today, we are going to present a skit in front of you on the fast growing problem among the youth, that is obesity. In this skit, we are going to talk about what obesity is, what are its consequences, and how we can prevent ourselves from becoming obese. In this skit, Chetna is the obese person, Chandra Mohan is her father, and Vaishakhi is the doctor. Scene 1. The conversation between Chetna and Chandra Mohan.
Hi dad, can you give me some money to buy a burger?
Okay, I will give you money, but you have to eat in limit because junk food is not healthy and can be harmful.
Okay dad.
After a couple of hours,
Again, you are eating something unhealthy?
Dad, I was feeling so hungry, so I took a packet of chips.
Just a few hours ago, we had a breakfast and you also ate burger and now you are eating chips. It is not good for your health and can harm you in future.
Dad, don't be so panicked. It will not harm me and it will also not affect my health.
this continued for a couple of months, and now Chetna is facing various health problems and has become fat.
Dad,
What happened?
I'm not feeling well. I'm having a stomach ache and my joints are also paining. I cannot breathe properly.
It is due to your unhealthy lifestyle and your overeating. I warned you not to do so, but you didn't listen to me. And see what happened now.
Sorry, Dad, I would not repeat it again.
Don't worry, child. I will take you to the doctor and you will be fine.
Scene 2. Chandramohan has taken Chetna to Dr. Vishaki for her treatment.
Hello, doctor.
Hello, doctor.
Hi Chetna, good to see you. What is the reason for coming here? Is there something serious?
Yes, of course. Chetna is suffering from stomach ache and vomiting. This has been continuing since 2 3 days. I think this could be due to her overeating, and she is also getting fattened day by day.
Yes, I could see the problems very well. The stomach ache, vomiting, and pains in the joints are none other than the consequences of obesity.
Obesity?
Yes, I studied something about it. Obesity is a state of being grossly fat or overweight.
Yeah, obesity is a disorder involving excessive body fat that increases the risk of health problems. Obesity often results from taking in more calories than are burned in physical exercise and normal daily activities.
Doctor, is eating more food the only reason behind obesity?
No, eating more food is not the only reason behind obesity. Some other reasons are physical inactivity, overeating, consumption of fried and unhealthy food, diseases like hypothyroidism and ovary syndrome also contributes to obesity. But I think that Chetna is not suffering from any kind of these diseases. So the main reason behind her obesity is physical inactivity and overeating, which is the main reason for obesity in today's youth.
Doctor, is growing fat the only consequence of obesity?
No, Chetna. Growing fatter is one of the important consequences of obesity, but some other consequences are high blood pressure, high cholesterol, asthma, diabetes, kidney stones, gallbladder diseases, stroke, and some other types of cancers.
Doctor, is there any treatment to cure this disease?
Yes, of course. Every disease has its cure. Likewise, obesity has also its cure. In order to cure and prevent obesity, Chetna should exercise regularly, minimum 150 minutes a week, taking a healthy eating plan. Counseling and social support would help her to cope up with stress, anger, and overeating habits. Taking proper medication and less consumption of fat and carbohydrates in the diet are some of the preventive measures to cure obesity.
Doctor, you mentioned that I have to follow a health eating plan. What is it? Please tell.
Yes, a healthy eating plan for an obese person involves eating whole wheat, brown rice, oats, vegetables except potatoes, olive, and other vegetable oil, and minimum 7 to 8 glasses of water a day.
Doctor, is there any limitations to other kinds of food and drinks?
Yes, Chetna should avoid eating soda, fruit drink, cold drinks, sport drinks, candies, chocolate, sweets, red meat, and other highly processed food such as fast food.
Fantastic, doctor. Thank you for providing us with your valuable knowledge and help.
And I also promise to follow your advice.
Yes, of course, Chetna.
For the next 1 year, Chetna followed a healthy lifestyle and is free from her all health issues and has become lean. However, fitness and healthy lifestyle should be continued lifelong so as to remain fit and disease free.
However, we have discussed only one challenge arise due to obesity, that is degradation of physical health. But there is one more challenge arise due to it, which is even more worse, that is the mental damage. The body shaming and making fun of obese person by peers in schools, colleges, and at workplace result in various psychological problems such as less confidence, low self-esteem, and depression, etc. And this problem can only be cured by making positive environment around them and encouraging them to become fit. I hope that we are able to convey our message regarding the fast growing problem among youth, that is obesity. So, if we try to adopt the preventive measures, then we can surely win against this problem.
Yes, of course. In the times of pandemic, it is a moral duty to make people understand the seriousness of these diseases. That's why I suggest everyone to go outside if necessary, wear a mask, maintain social distancing, and sanitize your hands regularly. And if not necessary, stay home and stay safe.
Hopefully, after this activity, you are more aware of the effects of obesity. Many people do not realize how damaging obesity can be to the body and for your overall health. Obesity is something that is increasingly on the rise today and will continue to rise unless we do something about it, like informing people of how bad it really is and encouraging people to live a health health and enhancing lifestyle. A healthy diet and exercising 2 or 3 times a week is key to not becoming obese. Let's change the trend of obesity by living healthy lives and building towards a healthy India. Thank you.